We've got an exciting lineup for all the car enthusiasts out there. 12 of the best car gadgets for 2024 that you absolutely need to check out. Whether you're looking to upgrade your car's safety, convenience, or comfort, we've got something on this list for you. From dash cams to wireless chargers and everything in between, these gadgets are designed to enhance your driving experience in the new year. And as always, you'll find links to all the products in the video description below, so you can easily grab your favorites. Let's get started. Starting off our list is the Viofo A229 Pro Dash Cam. This gadget is an essential tool for every driver. It records your drives in stunning 4K quality, ensuring you have clear evidence in case of an accident or any unexpected incidents. Whether you're commuting or on a road trip, having this dash cam installed gives you peace of mind knowing every moment is captured. Plus, it's easy to install and use, making it a perfect addition to your car. Next up, we have the Spy two-way car alarm system. Car theft is a real concern, but with this alarm system, you can protect your vehicle like never before. This system not only sounds an alarm if someone tries to break in, but it also alerts you directly through a two-way communication feature. It's a powerful deterrent that adds an extra layer of security to your car, ensuring you're always in control no matter where you are. Transform your car's audio experience with the Basis Aux Car wireless audio receiver. This gadget allows you to upgrade your car's sound system without the need for a complete overhaul. Simply plug it into your car's auxiliary port, and you can wirelessly stream music from your smartphone or any Bluetooth-enabled device. It's a simple, affordable way to bring your car's audio system into the modern age. Need to power your laptop or other electronics on the go? The Basis 150-watt car inverter is your answer. This powerful inverter converts your car's DC power into AC power, allowing you to charge and use devices like laptops, tablets, and even small appliances while you drive. Whether you're working on the road or need to keep your devices charged during long trips, this inverter has you covered. Stay connected with your vehicle no matter where you are with the Xiaomi GPS tracker. This strong magnetic tracker attaches discreetly to your car and provides real-time location tracking. It's perfect for keeping tabs on your car's whereabouts, whether you're monitoring a new driver or just want added security. With accurate tracking and a long battery life, it's a reliable way to keep your car safe. The wireless charging tracking location wallet tracker is an innovative gadget. Not only wirelessly charges your devices, but also tracks the location of your valuables. Misplaced your wallet or keys? No problem. This tracker helps you find them in no time. It's a dual-purpose device that ensures your essentials are always safe and within reach. The Basis Wireless Car Air Pump. Portable air compressor is handy device ensures that your tires are always at the perfect pressure no matter where you are. It's compact, easy to use, and can save you from unexpected flat tires. Whether you're on a road trip or just commuting to work, this air pump is a must-have for your car. Next up, we have the Volvo Car Mobile Wireless Charger, compatible with number of models. Gone are the days of fumbling with charging cables while driving. This wireless charger allows you to power up your phone effortlessly, keeping it within easy reach and fully charged at all times. It's a sleek and convenient solution for modern drivers. Moving on, the Baseus A5 16000 PA wireless car vacuum cleaner is a game changer for keeping your car interior spotless. With powerful suction and a wireless design cleaning up crumbs, dust and debris has never been easier. It's lightweight, portable, and perfect for those who like to keep their car looking as good as new. Coming in at number 3, we have the Car Heating Cooling Cup. Whether you're sipping hot coffee on a cold morning or keeping your drinks cool in the summer heat, this gadget ensures that your beverage is always at the perfect temperature. It's an ideal companion for long drives or daily commutes, adding a touch of luxury to your car. Protecting your car's interior from sun damage is crucial, and the Baseus Windshield Sunshade Umbrella does just that. Its unique umbrella design makes it easy to open and close, providing maximum coverage and keeping your car cool even on the hottest days. Plus, the hemmed edges give it a durable and premium look. Last but not least, we have the Solar Car Clock Outside Thermometer. This gadget is not only eco-friendly, powered by solar energy, but also incredibly useful for keeping track of time and temperature while on the road. It's a small addition that adds a lot of convenience to your driving experience. That wraps up our list of the 12 best car gadgets for 2024. Whether you're looking to improve safety, convenience, or just add some cool features to your car, these gadgets have got you covered. If you found something you like, be sure to check the links in the description to learn more or make a purchase. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more great content like this. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.